Hi. You gonna talk to Grandma?
Or Grammy.
Or Grammy? There's your new squeak. Wave your arms. Ah. No. You gonna dance your feet? Dance your little feet.
Uh-oh.
You got the hiccups. What are we gonna do about the hiccups? What are we gonna do? Don't let the hiccups ruin the show. Keep the show going. Hi.
Hi.
Do you see Daddy?
Hi. Hello.
There's Daddy.
Smile at your
Daddy.
elephant.
Are you talking to your hiccups?
Those would have actually made words if there weren't hiccups to interrupt them.
Naturally.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those feet go. Dance those legs. Yeah. Oh yes. We're doing a jig. You gonna watch your triangle?
Serpentinsky.
You gonna follow it?
Of course.
Oh yeah.
I love looking at that.
Now show the camera what Ellie's staring at. Zoom in. Ooh, the Serpensky gasket. She will be a mathematician yet.
Fractals. Fractals.
Good job following the picture. Now look at the camera. Eleanor. Hey, sweetie.
Hi.
Okay, let's sign off. Say bye, Grammy and Grandma. And Bubba and Grandpa. Give one more smile. Yeah.
There's a grin.
Okay, bye-bye.